Exercise 8.2, question number 4. True or false? Number 1. True or false? Sin A plus B is equals to sin A plus sin B. This statement is false here. Taking A is equals to 30 and B is equals to 60. Then sin A plus B is equals to sin 30 plus 60 is equals to sin 90 is equals to 1. Here sin A, sin 30 plus sin 60, 1 upon 2, put value sin 30 is equals to 1 upon 2 plus root 3 by 2, then 1 plus root 3 upon 2. Here left hand side is not equals to right hand side, therefore this statement sin A plus B is equals to sin A plus sin B is false statement. For other value you take and calculate this sum. Number second, true or false, the value of sin theta increases as theta increase. We know that sin theta, here we know that sin theta angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. It is our angle. It is our value, angle of value. And now sin theta, sin 0 is equals to here our value we write here for sin theta. Then sin theta, sin theta 0 is equals to 0, sin theta 30 is equals to 1 half, sin 45 is equals to 1 upon root 2, sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2 and 90 is equals to 1. Sin 90 is equals to 1. Here we write all values of sine angle. Then the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Here theta increase 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Then sin theta is equals to 0. 1 upon 2 is 0 0.71, 0 0.50, 0 0.71. Here its value is 0 0.87 and it is 1. Therefore our values are increases 0 less than 1 upon 2 less than 0 is less than this. And it is also less than, it is also less than, it is also less than. Why? Because 0 less than 1 upon 2 is equals to 0 0.5. 1 upon root 2 is equals to 0 0.71. 1 upon root 3 by 2 is equals to 0 0.82. Then it is value increases. Here 0, 0 0.5, 0 0.71. It is also 0 0.87. Therefore, value of sin theta increases as theta increase. Therefore, sin 0 less than sin 30 less than sin 45 less than sin 60 less than sin 90. Now, number second. Here our number, it is number second, number third. True or false? The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Similarly, we take here cos value angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Cos theta. Cos 0 is equals to 1, sin 30 is equals to root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and here 0. It's R. Converse, that means reverse value of sine. Here sin 0 is equals to 1. Then 1 is greater than root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 we know in some question 1.87 is greater than 0.87. Here root 3 by 2 is equals to 1. 1 is greater than 0.87. 0.87 is greater than 0.1 upon root 2 is equals to 0.71 is greater than 1 half. 0.5 is greater than 0. Otherwise you write in descending order. We write here in descending order, now ascending order. 0 less than 0.5 less than 0.7. Therefore sine value of cos theta decrease as theta increase. Here theta increase, therefore these values are decrease. 1 is greater than 0.87, 0.71 greater than 0.5 greater than 0. Now number 4, true or false? Sin theta is equals to cos theta for all value of theta. This statement is false. Why? Because theta is equals to 40. We take here 30. Theta is equals to, we take here theta is equals to 30. Then sin 30 is equals to cos 30. It is possible. Sin 30 is equals to 1 upon 2 is equals to, we saying that root 3 by 2. It is not. Therefore its value 30. Otherwise you put here theta is equals to 45. It is sin 45 equals to cos 45. Then 1 upon root 2 is equals to 1 upon root 2. It is true for 45. It is false for 30. It is false for sin 60. Sin 60. Otherwise we take here sin 60 is equals to cos 30, cos 60. Sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. Is it clear? Yeah, true? No, it is wrong. It is not equals to. Then root 3 by 2 is not equals to 1 upon 2, like 0 and 90. Therefore this statement is true for only theta is equals to 45. But it is not true for other value of theta. So the given statement is not true for all values of theta. Not all values of theta. Number 5. Cot A is not defined for A is equals to 0. We know cot A is equals to all value. Suppose we know it's all values. Cot 0 is equals to cos 0 upon sin 0. It is 1 upon 0. Cot 0 here 1 upon 0 is equals to not defined. Otherwise infinitive. It is not defined. Suppose we take here cot 30 is equals to, cot 30 is equals to root 3. Cot 45 is equals to 1. Cot 60 is equals to 1 upon root 3 and cot 90 is equals to 0. So then for which value cot 0 is equals to 1 upon it, we write here like this 1 upon 0, otherwise it is not defined. Therefore cot 0 is not defined. Cot A is not defined for A is equals to 0. Hence the statement is true. Now example number 9. Here evaluate tan 65 upon cot 25. We know value of angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 of all trigonometric ratios, but here 65 upon cot 25, then we write its complementary. What is the complementary of complementary angle? The sum of two angles is 90, then it is called complementary angle. We write here tan 90 minus 25, 65 its complementary 25, 90 minus 25 is equal to 65. We write here tan 90 minus 25 is equal upon cot 25. It becomes, because we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. It's complementary. 90 minus angle, then for it is cot 25 upon cot 25, it is cut here. Suppose it is sine 90 minus theta, then it's complementary cos theta. Here cot 90 minus theta, then it becomes tan 90 theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta, we write here like this: sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. It's complementary value. Then our question number 1 is like, example number 9 is like this. Now its answer is 1. Now convert in value. Example number, in our revised syllabus, example number 11. Express cot 85 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Here trigonometric ratios of 0 and 45. We write here between 0 and 45. Cot 85. We like this complementary of cot angle. We like angle 90 minus 85 is equals to 5. Then we write cot 85 is equals to cot 90 minus 5. We write like this: 90 minus 5. And cos 75 is equals to cos 75 is equals to cos 90 minus 15. Here change the value. Here it's cot 90 minus 5 is equals to tan 5, because it's complementary tan, and cos complementary is equals to sine 15. It converts in sine, then its sine is equals to here tan 5 plus sine 50, tan 5 plus sine 15 degree. It is our example number 11.